everybody. Today I'm going to share with you, it's not plants, but it's something to do with plants. Like, this is food that I save for my plants, okay, for my indoor plants. Here are some shells from the eggs that I save. I save the cases so I can just spread it around and dry out my eggs. I dry them out. No, I did not wash them, but I try to keep them as clean as possible. Yeah, I dry them. They're nice and dry now. These banana skins, what I do is I spread them. I have them separated in something out of the way, of course. And as you can see, they are crunchy. So what I do is take all these banana peel and I put it in my blender, just like that, no liquids, because that's the point, we want it dry. I put it in my blender and I blend this up and make it into flour. And what do? I put it in a glass jar. If you have a big glass jar, a mason jar, or I always save the jars from the spaghetti pasta ones that I buy buy jars, and I wash them and I save them and I take the peel off, and then I use them. I don't throw those glass jars. I use them, and I put name on them. I buy those chalkboard sticker things and I put names on them, and I put banana peel flour, or I just put plant food, because what I do is I blend this up and I blend this also separate as well. Once I'm done with this, then I'll just put it in a bowl, and then I blend this up, make it into flour as well, and I put it in a bowl and I mix them together, and then I'll put it in the glass jar and put plant food. Now, if you want to do it separate jars, banana peel flour, eggshell flour, it's your choice how you want to do it. Now, also, this is great calcium. Make sure you wash the outside of it. Wash it. If you wish, wash the inside. But I didn't wash because this is mostly for my plants. That's the only reason. But if you're going to consume it for yourself for calcium, then make sure you wash outside and inside as well. You don't want the egg food that's still inside kind of get you sick. Okay, so that's what I do. I blend it up into flour. Now, if you want to consume it, wash them, don't forget, inside and outside. You have them in a separate jar. Take a little tiny teaspoon in your milk or smoothie, and it's a way of putting in calcium in your body as well. So that's what I do, my friends. This is my tip that I do. I also dry up other peels as well, and I do the same thing. I dry it, blend it, and mix it. The tea bags. The tea bags also, whenever I make tea, I dump it in a flat plate and I dry it out. Coffee. Whenever you make coffee, not the instant coffee, the other coffee that you use, the coffee machines, I take that, spread it, dry it out. Also, that is good for plant food too. Next one is when you boil vegetables. If you're not adding salt in the water that you use to boil your vegetables, use that water as well. Use it for plant food as well. I always do that. When I don't use salt, that water goes to my plants, and maybe that's why my plants look fine, they look good, because of the food I give them. It's organic food or organic peel or stuff like that. Corn, when you boil corn, the same thing. Use that water, put it for your plants. So many ways to feed your plants. Don't say there's no way. You have to go run to the store to buy those expensive chemicals, because that's all I can see there. Mixed chemicals with I don't know what. The ingredients that you see in there is like something that you don't even know what it is. Yeah, that's the best way I take care of my plants. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not saying change your ways, but I'm just sharing what I do. Okay, my friends, so that's a short video. I don't want to bore you to death. I just wanted to share with you how I feed my plants. This is the way I feed my plants. Or sometimes you can just sprinkle the powder of the egg on top of the soil. It's another way if you don't want to do the way I do. Once I mix up the powder, I also put it in water, shake it well, and then start pouring it on the soil around the plant. Or you can just put the powder on the soil. Either way is fine. It's fine. You can take a tablespoon of powder and put it around the soil, around your plant on the soil, and then just water plant. It's your choice how you wish to do it. Those two ways are perfect. Subscribe if you're new, share the video, thumbs up, like, comment below. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. And I open a group for all of us that love plants, passion of growing your plants. So I wish you all to join the group so we can share our passion. Let's share pictures or any questions, doubts. Let's help each other. Let's show our passion for our plants. I invite you all to join in this group that I open, which is yours. It's not mine. It's your group as well. And if you see somebody trying to join, you are also allowed to accept and approve them in the group. I left it open for all of you members to also accept the people that want to join. Hope to see you there. Happy planting! Bye!